Hi guys, in this video we will learn about how to deploy web application in the Microsoft Azure. So what we are going to do in this session is first we will create one web application, okay, and then that particular web application we will deploy to the Microsoft Azure. So we'll create the web application in the Visual Studio, and from Visual Studio only we will deploy that solution to the Microsoft Azure, and we will test it. So this is the simple exercise we are going to do it. Nothing much in this session, so it is very easy to do it. Let's start that. Okay, so first what we need to do is uh, just a minute. Yes, so I'm opening a solution for. Yes, you can see this is the Visual Studio 2019, and I'm creating a new project here. We are having a recent project templates. So just I wanted to say one thing, like whatever like web application, this one we are going to now we are going to deploy a web application. In the same manner you can deploy your web API code too in the Azure App Services, and it will get handled. Okay, so in this session we will do what, we will create one ASP.NET Core Web App Model View Controller, and that particular solution we will deploy it. So let's select and create the solution, and we'll say Azure demo dot core. Okay, so what I will do here, in the D folder we'll create one. We are having the utilities repos, and we create here one new folder, Azure demo. Okay, so I'll select this folder and we'll create one new application. Cool. We'll select now .NET Core 3.1 authentication. We are not doing anything, but just we'll create the application and we'll deploy it. So I'm clicked on create. Okay, fine. So our Visual Studio is ready now. So when you will create the ASP.NET Core Web Application with Model View Controller, so you can see the views, you can see models, you can see the controllers. Okay, so let's run it and see what is there, and that particular thing, it should go to the Microsoft Azure too. Okay, see here. It will load in some time. See, this is the this is the uh, website we are having, which is created by default. Okay, we'll change something, like here we'll do welcome to the Azure demo. Okay, so let's see here where it is. You can see the welcome, right? So I'll just change welcome to the Azure demo. Okay, so it will now, you can see now welcome to the Azure demo. Cool. So we are ready with the web application, guys. Now we need to deploy it, correct? So just deployment is very easy, guys. Right click on the project, okay, and then publish. You will open this particular page, and this publish pop-up, it will say like how you want to publish it. So I will select the Azure. Select, you want to select, you want to use what? Azure App Service. Let me show you where we'll deploy it, guys. So you can see we are having a Azure demo API app services. It is created. If you want this video like how to create app services, we have done in the previous video. You can check out. I will put this particular link to, no, I mean to say video link to the description box. Okay, so in this particular web services only we will deploy it. Okay, so let's carry on. So I will select the Azure App Services, buddy, and then we'll go next. So here you can see the uh, let me show you one more thing. See here my login credential abhishek14anand at live.com. So here it should be abhishek14anand at live.com. If you will have different, then you will not get your resource there. Okay, so this is asking for re-enter credential. Let's enter it. Cool. I'll say email. I'll send the code. Let me grab the OTP, guys. It is opening my Gmail. I'm sorry. So I'm taking the security code and paste it over here. It will get verified. So some people is setting up the Microsoft Authenticator, so they will get that one. I did not set it, so it is coming like this. Okay, so you need to find it by you need to find it like which one your resource. So in previous video you can see we have created one Azure demo resources. So it is there, and under that we are having a app services Azure demo API. So we'll say just finish. After selecting that, that's it. You see here everything has come up, right? And it will say ready to publish, and these details will come to you. Subscription, what is the resource group, what is the resource name, and it is HTTP or HTTPS, blah blah. So I'll say publish. It will take little time to publish it. So first it will build your project in the release mode. If everything went well, then it will publish your code to the Azure. Okay, we are not having very huge binary to publish, so it has done very soon. Successfully installed web application, restarting the web app. Okay, you can see we got the here, welcome to the Azure demo. Is that right? Whatever, that's it. So this is it. So so what I want to show is here you can see HTTPS only, it is not on, so we'll keep it on. Okay, so it will be secured. See, like this, how we have done. You need to go under settings, TLS/SSL settings, and you just do that's it guys. You are having your web application ready in and deploy to the Azure, and it is we can deploy like this. And in next video we'll say like how to create Azure function and how to deploy the Azure function, okay, from the Visual Studio. So there are multiple ways to deploy it, so but we'll see from Visual Studio first. Let's see what is the response from you guys, and then we'll take it forward if you want another way also. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.